Let me say something that might hurt you a little. You are not stuck. You are becoming irrelevant. And the worst part is you don't even realize it. Hi there, this is Ajay Kumar, this is ThriveWing, where we help you to build a smarter age and stay irreplaceable. If you are over here for the very first time, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the thumbs up button and also hit the bell icon so that you always stay updated with our latest content. You don't become irrelevant in one day, you become irrelevant when you do the same things again and again every day. Same work, same thinking, and same comfort. And while you feel stable, the world is moving ahead without you. There are no warning signs. You still get your monthly salary, appreciation, and you feel safe. But underneath, your age is disappearing. AI is not creating problem. It's simply accelerating it. Now, average work is automated, execution is faster, competition is global. You are no longer competing with people, you are competing with AI. Working hard is not enough. Being consistent is also not enough. Being skilled is not enough as well. Because today, relevance is about evolution. If you are not evolving, you are slowly becoming replaceable. So, what can you do? Start thinking differently. Don't just do work, understand systems. Don't learn tools, understand decisions. And don't just execute, design. So my friend, you become irrelevant by staying the same. So ask yourself, am I evolving fast enough? Because this is the era where relevance is the new security. And if you understand the concept and like this video, do share it with your friends and colleagues. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share your feedback under the comment section. I'm gonna see you in our next video.